Welcome to ChickenMatterTalks. In today's educational documentary, we will explore the origin and history of the Gilmore Hatch bloodline chickens, a respected family within the broader Hatch bloodline group. This video is created strictly for educational, historical, and cultural purposes only. Our discussion focuses on heritage, bloodline development, breeding philosophy, physical traits, and responsible poultry care. No harmful or unethical activities are shown or encouraged. Whether you are a poultry breeder, hobbyist, researcher, or simply interested in heritage chicken bloodlines, this video aims to provide accurate, transparent, and respectful information. Understanding the Hatch bloodline family. Before discussing the Gilmore Hatch specifically, it is important to understand the Hatch bloodline family. The Hatch group originated in the United States and became known for strong and compact body structure, broad chest and solid frame, balanced posture and movement, consistency when responsibly bred. Over time, different breeders developed distinct Hatch families, each shaped by individual breeding goals and philosophies. Gilmore Hatch is one of these recognized families. The origin of the Gilmore Hatch bloodline. The Gilmore Hatch bloodline was developed in the United States by the Gilmore family, who focused on refining Hatch-type foundation stock. Rather than seeking extreme traits, the Gilmores emphasized structural balance, body proportion, consistent temperament, long-term stability. Through careful selection and disciplined breeding, the Gilmore Hatch gradually became a recognizable and reliable bloodline. Foundation stock and early development. The early development of the Gilmore Hatch bloodline involved selecting quality Hatch chickens that met strict standards. Key selection factors included strong skeletal structure, proper leg placement, healthy reproductive traits, predictable offspring performance. Only birds that consistently passed on desired traits were retained for future breeding. This process took multiple generations, allowing the bloodline to stabilize. Breeding philosophy behind Gilmore Hatch. One of the defining characteristics of the Gilmore Hatch bloodline is its conservative and disciplined breeding philosophy. The Gilmore family believed in avoiding excessive outcrossing, maintaining clear lineage records, selecting for consistency rather than extremes, preserving genetic identity. This philosophy helped ensure that Gilmore Hatch birds remained predictable and reliable across generations. Physical characteristics of Gilmore Hatch. Chickens. While individual birds may vary, Gilmore Hatch chickens are commonly associated with medium to low station, broad body frame, solid and compact build, strong legs with proper spacing, smooth and tight feathering. Color variations may appear, but structure and balance remain the primary identifiers. Temperament and behavioral traits. Gilmore Hatch chickens are often described as calm but alert, responsive to their environment, manageable when properly handled, consistent in behavior. Temperament was an important factor in the Gilmore breeding program, supporting responsible flock management. How Gilmore Hatch gained recognition. The Gilmore Hatch bloodline gained recognition through consistent breeding results, stable reproduction of traits, positive observations from other breeders. As birds were shared and studied, The Gilmore Hatch family became respected within Hatch bloodline circles. Role in modern heritage breeding. Today, Gilmore Hatch chickens continue to play a role in heritage poultry preservation, educational breeding programs, controlled and ethical breeding systems. Some breeders maintain Gilmore Hatch as a pure family, while others carefully integrate it into structured programs. Responsible breeding and care practices. Preserving a bloodline like Gilmore Hatch requires responsibility. Best practices include clean and spacious housing, balanced nutrition, regular health monitoring, ethical breeding decisions, accurate record keeping. Responsible care ensures both animal welfare and genetic integrity. Common misconceptions about Gilmore Hatch. A common misconception is that all birds labeled Gilmore Hatch are authentic. In reality, true bloodlines require documented lineage. Appearance alone is not sufficient. Responsible breeding practices matter most. Education helps prevent misinformation and misuse of bloodline names. Cultural and historical significance. The Gilmore Hatch bloodline represents traditional American breeding values, patience and discipline in selection, respect for long-term genetic development. Its continued recognition highlights the importance of preserving poultry heritage responsibly. Transparency notice to viewers. This documentary is presented strictly for educational and historical purposes only. No harmful activities are shown or encouraged. ChickenMatterTalks supports ethical poultry education, responsible breeding, transparency and animal welfare. Conclusion. The Gilmore Hatch bloodline. Chickens stand as an example of careful selection, consistency, and responsible breeding. By understanding their origin and history, we gain insight into how bloodlines are preserved and why ethical practices matter. If you found this documentary informative, like the video, subscribe to ChickenMatterTalks. Share this with fellow poultry and heritage enthusiasts. Comment below. Which Hatch bloodline should we explore next?